You know. It wasn't him. Well, he's not the kitty. He thinks he's the kitty. No, not him. He should be named Galloping Gertie. He just lollops around like a silly lollop. Look at a silly lollop. Ollie lollop.
Max, you wanna go outside? What's all in that bag?
What's that?
What's in that bag?
Who knows? I'm getting Lindsay. See her? I'm not getting her.
No, I was just he looked at it.
I'm gonna put it in the car. Uh-oh.
No deers.
No, step in it.
Whoa, that was a close one. Get out of there. Oh, that's a leaf.
No, it's pieces of leather off that chair that Baxter tore. The chair from the basement.
You can't go out there.
Really good. He's not going to go far.
He'll fall down the steps.
No, dear David, you will. He'll roly-poly right down it. No, you know what I used to do? I used to take the playpen outside so I could be out in the sun. Jess would be in the playpen and I'd be there suntanning.
You got to go get him. It's going to experience of going outside.
I don't think.
He said, I've never been outside before. Uh-oh.
That's the place we should put a potty pad.
Good idea. That's as far as it's going, I guess.
That's far as it does. One step at a time. That's a model for everybody, right?
Oh, he got a stick. He's going to bring it back in. Look what he found outside.
Oh, I can't wait to get when he gets you a stick. Ooh, icky. Look at how dirty this is. A mud pad. That's a bug.
Uh-oh, Baxter's coming to the rescue.
Baxter, get Ollie in here. He doesn't care.
Ollie, quit eating everything. Better get him, he's eating everything.
Go ahead, I'm right here.
He's following him outside.
He's gonna fall right down the stairs outside.
Come on. You gotta go back in.